Welcome, dear train enthusiasts. Our diorama is almost complete, but as every modeler knows, fine-tuning is a process that can take years. Since the last update, you might notice we've added railroad signals, and now the trains run on their own timetable. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as the trains travel through the beautiful scenery of our diorama. We'd like to give a big thank you to all the TrainStation 2 players who helped us choose key elements like bridges, stations, and buildings. And of course, a huge thanks to you, our followers and supporters, for every like, follow, and valuable comment. But don't worry, the journey doesn't end here. There's still plenty to improve, and we want you to follow along with us. Don't forget to give us a follow and let us know in the comments what you thought of this video.